What I need to do is understand where the industry is moving, what the challenges are from individuals, where we are on certain topics, and this is an ideal place to hear a range of views and to meet people. So you can only be up to date in this industry by listening to people.
Well, the first highlight is actually to see so many colleagues from the wind industry, from consultancies to OEMs to operators and developers come together to talk about a variety of topics. We had an excellent keynote speech from Clark McFarlane from Siemens Gamesa, really giving a treatise on the state of the nation of the wind industry, some of the challenges to the OEMs, development of projects and the supply chain, which was excellent.
For me, the topic of the day was decommissioning and reuse and recycling of turbine blades. So something we worry about in terms of decommissioning of wind farms. The idea of burying large confident materials in the ground is not a good image. So to see that there's possibilities to recycle and reuse them is certainly something that's of interest to us at Red Rock.
I was honoured to be part of the panel today where we discussed about the sustainability of wind turbines. By its very nature, wind is a renewable source, but the resources used in offshore wind, particularly, and onshore wind, are limited. And today the user group looked at different strategies where we can look to embed the circular economy and look at the true sustainable issues around wind farms.
They need to try and understand what the challenges are, and you really only know what's happening is when you talk to these people that have come from the potential customers and the customers that Dassault have. And for the customers themselves, Dassault then uses that information to develop their solutions, their services around this, so they can support their initiatives. And it's not the initiatives, in the near term, but also long term, where they think that they need support.